I'm Dave Butler. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I practice at Butler Orthopaedics at the Palos Primary Care Center. I grew up in Chicago South Side. I went to Brother Rice High School. I trained at the Cook County Hospital and the University of Illinois. And when I finished, I did a year of fellowship training for 1 year in adult reconstruction. I've been in practice for 20 years. I see a variety of problems in patients from a very young age all the way to the last year or so of their life for problems that range from foot and ankle, knee, hip problems, upper extremities involving the hands, wrists, elbows, and shoulders. Some of these problems requiring surgical care, and some simply an injection or physical therapy or simple exam and time to allow their problems to heal. Examples of a surgical problem in the elderly may be a hip fracture. It's a very common. And something might be something simple as abnormal development in a child or a fracture in a very young child. Of course, there's athletes in between. And then in the middle age group, we start to see arthritic problems and problems with people that have had one arthritic treatment of a joint and sometimes require an additional treatment for that joint, with a loosening of an artificial joint that's been implanted for many, many years sometimes. As far as specialization, my fellowship training, that was a year of additional training after residency, focused in on problems of the hip and the knee primarily, with complex arthroplasty or replacements of an arthritic hip or a knee, both the first time around and sometimes a second or a third time around patient who's had a hip or a knee replacement done and now needs to have it redone. So that's really my subspecialty interest, and my greatest area of expertise would be in handling complex primary or first time around hip or knee replacements and revisions or redos of hip and knee replacements. Our office facility has a good number of handicap spots outside. There is normally a wheelchair available in the lobby for somebody that requires a wheelchair assist. If there is not one available, we have one in our office, and if you give us a call, we'll bring it down to the lobby and have it there for you. Our website describes most of the insurances we belong to and participate in. And certainly we'd be happy to check by calling our office number at any other insurance that you belong to find out if we can see you under your plan. I'll try to take care of you in the best way I know how. If I think that there's another doctor that can treat you better than I can, I will refer you to the other doctor. We are open 5 days a week and every other Saturday. Our phone number is 708-349-6700. Further information is available at drbutlerortho.com.